Welcome and thank you for your interest in our extension, GL Source Names. This video will show you the usage of GL source names. Select Home, Finance, and navigate to Chart of Accounts. For this, we will exemplify sales in retail. That's 6110. Here it is. After you select it, go to Navigate and Ledger Entries. There you see the records in the ledger. You'll notice two new columns, source type and source name. There's a link to the source name, and if you click on it, you're able to see the source card. In this case, it's a customer, someone that actually purchased from you. You go to another, you see it's a different source card, a different customer that's purchasing something from you. Also, if you go to the ribbon, you'll see there are new options there. Under Navigate, there's Source Card option. This will give you the same information as if you click on the link in Records. Another example of where these two columns are appearing. If you go to Sales on Resources, 6410, Ledger Entries, you'll see the two columns are there. The same function linked to the source card. And another example is for vendors. Let's go to account 7110, ledger entries, and you'll see records for vendors. Click on the link and you'll see the source card for that particular vendor. All this will help you navigate through financial data and help you analyze by easy drilling. I hope this has been useful for you and I hope you enjoy the extension. Thank you.